This baked veggie egg casserole is cheesy, colorful, and packed with nutrients. Start by heating olive oil in a pan. Add chopped red onion, bell peppers, broccoli, and grated carrots. Season with salt and pepper, and saute until tender. Next, add garlic and baby spinach. Cook for 2 to 3 more minutes, then turn off the heat and let it cool. In a bowl, whisk together eggs, milk, and half of your mozzarella cheese. Once your veggies are cooled, mix them into the egg mixture and pour everything into a greased Pyrex dish. Top with the remaining cheese and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. If the top isn't golden, broil it for 1 to 2 minutes at the end. Garnish with cherry tomatoes and fresh parsley and enjoy warm or cold. Great for breakfast, brunch, or meal prep. Don't forget save, share, and follow me for more delicious, nutritious, tasty, and healthy recipes.
Good morning, good morning.